The ruling party, Zanu PF, Director for Information, says the party will not tolerate name dropping and abuse of presence open door police. Sana penda mashoko atokwa neZanu PF. Aiwa vakomana taura chiti vakomana vari kuabuse open door police yaidi munangagwa. Aiwa vakomana ivavava, they must be penalized. Sana penda mashoko avataura kuti subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Tipinda pa the Zimbabwe vanyora vachiti the president in his wisdom has said he has an open door police for everyone. All those who want to meet him and have bright ideas for the furtherance of his country's future should have access to him. We have a possible case of someone misinterpreting the wisdom of the president to take it and use it for their own self-aggrandizement, which is not fair. The president has his door open for everyone and for any of the people of Zimbabwe. So for people to start name dropping and abusing access and the wisdom of His Excellency, it's something we cannot tolerate as a party, says Zanu PF Party Director of Information and Publicity, Fare Muroiwa Marapira. No mashukana pana vachiti aiwa pane munhu achita kuti Chivhayo aka abuse this access, vachiti aiwa they will not tolerate that. Mutuze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro pamashoko ake awa pina comment section medu awa mutuze mafunguro enyu musakano subscribe like channel on the bell icon.